오, 당한디 슈퍼 파트디야 리제제사.
아무님도 참아도
오, 당한도 지우든지 친구 슈 차사도. 파마니기 지우디니 송조 슈 양부치기도 샤차 슈 차샤. 당한 파 리제제사 도디에 드리든 군주 리제제제 샹아도스. 그만 좀 스til로 쳐서. 리제제다 다쇼아. 오, 난디라 리제제 하용기와. 치단 안딜라리 제제 ni manchewari loyas de dangale diskem batendri sha yimbaina nga dilali jeje hayundi ngare to se tongba de de nyamdo la rugu tanda de lize lani de khura kamba shachi mangbo chedwa khurangi kamba ge la phembi lize pe mobala gi to ni nga kamba shachi cherwa ande lize de nga la pe phengi to ni lize lani la thoji che shwe da ni dinala si yoyong re sha nganjo de mimi ko yae pheba deni tinzola ni dena phetuna ande shukela achuse chuani juni pate yore ni soso sadawa yore ni samima yore salapa yomare saphubu yore sapasang yore ande le pheba ina ni soso supula ya phembodwa ani dinra china la tapa phema thana dinra china themachi ni soso themachi phetuna soso supulani zada denzo yami shang che la be pento do dichini ni tongde soimba pheni na ngala dewa china digire ndele rimere undle khaya te gumare lani denzo khonju sama pe ya pore dina meri da manda che ni soso dinyam do shola soso phedin ko la ke je sia da de ya anyam도 제주도와 온디 진행이 디제 된저 소소 동바차와다 디제데 당지 지리와 라소니 참물로 수불라 트딘다 된저 개침보 베레 지리롱발라 고수야 제침불이 냠도 소소 수복개 침보 베레도 아빠는 안 주도 있는 강반내와리 된저 강발라 파이빌 이제 마보도 야야 니 된저 가지고 니 이제 가르치기 도처럼 지다 좋아 야야
Move everybody to one side and down, back to the uno, the other side forward from one side to another 6 times. And 1.
No artificial sweeteners. Yogo 0% yogurt is a perfect balance of good taste and feeling good. It's true. There you go.
Thank you.
Yogo 0% yogurt, perfectly balanced.
All along the back now. So release your arms, reach down, you go all along your back. Down for 1, down 2, down 3, and down 4.
Pull up skirt on your body, performing just on my Rari. You're too fine, need a ticket. I bet you taste expensive. Pouring up on a leader. You're keeping up, you should keep it. Tequila and vodka, girl, you might be a problem. Run away. I know that I should, but my heart wanna stay now. You can see it in my eyes that I'm gonna take it down right now if I could. So I hope you know what I'm really saying. Let me take you dancing. Two-step to the bedroom. We don't need no dance floor. Let me see your touch move. Anything could happen. Ever since I met you, no need to imagine. Baby, all I'm asking is let me take you dancing. Like that.
Set. This time we're gonna grab somebody's head. Good. I told you guys, head. Sit down. The head is over here, and you hit it with the knee. Got it? And hit it. Okay? So the knee has to be.
That Louis, that Prada, look so much better off you. Turn me up, be my waitress. No, we not in love, so let's make it. I could. Tell you might be a problem. Run away, run away, run away, run away. I know that I should. But my heart wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay, wanna stay now. You can see it in my eyes that I wanna take it down right now if I could. So I hope you know what I mean to say. Let me take you dancing. Two steps to the bedroom. We don't need no dance floor. Let me see your best move. Anything could happen. Ever since I met you, no need to imagine. Baby, all I'm asking is let me.
One leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let me take you dancing. Two steps to the bedroom. Asking.
3, 2, 1.
Let me take you dancing.
Bring the leg. Okay? He doesn't want to go and listen to you. Talk after the class to you now. Okay? Okay? One at a time. Forward. Then more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Go, don't be like a robot. Go back. Here, move. Go. And stay forward. Shoulder high. 1, 2, 3. It's like the brain. If you do the same thing over and over again, your neuron, you will not develop. This area, you don't get new neurons. The same thing with this here. If I move this every day, that's it. Nothing happens. You become stuck in that mirror. So you have to keep moving forward. Doing more repetitions for getting heavier body. Alright? Again. Here you go. Elbows there. The elbows don't move now. Make us forward. You can do that. Instead of have them in here, have them here. And bring it to the shoulder and stop right there. Both arms, eh? Both arms. Okay, here we go. Inhale to the shoulder for 1 and 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Exhale. Try to keep the muscles in tension. Bring the forearm, Nima. Only the forearms. Bring the, no, don't pull it up. You bring it from here with your hands to the shoulder.
Only from your elbow.
Down.
Okay.
Yeah. Here. In front. In the front. 4. 5. 7. Open up more, Sylvia. 8. Make it more tense. 9. 10. 1. Five more for me. 5 more. 1. Last one. Guys, the back, straight. The head, they align with your spine. So you're not going away, you're not putting your head up. You're Hermosa. Here. I get up behind you. Go forward. Stop. Go through. Bring them as high up as you can.
En noviembre hasta enero, sí que te necesito, ay de junio a febrero, quiero que estés conmigo y en marzo el amor, y en diciembre
Keep the elbows here, your hands, they're coming right in, yes, yes, kind of, there, yeah, there, there. Ya se fue. Oye, una, Mayergos, Mayergos, stay there, okay? And 6, 4 more. 7, 8, 9, more. 10. Hard, eh? Esto. Eight times to the side, and 8 times forward. Go fast, eh? Okay, we're gonna open. 1, up 2. Stop! See? Some of you, the way you were away, your mind is wandering around. You're not here. Only because we do, you know that we're gonna do 4 repetitions, you're not connecting with your body anymore. You have to keep connecting with your body. You're working the muscle, connect with the muscle. Forget about what is happening in the park, what is gonna happen tomorrow. So you're here. Okay, let's go. 1, 8, Good job. Put everything down. Now put it out. Good job. Hand. Hand. What's over here? What's your hand? Over here. Let's women they do that. Over here. Here. Not look facing each other. Here. Only one leg. Come up. Left leg. Okay? 7, 8,